Hello everyone, welcome to this video series on database management system. So in this video I am going to start module 5, which is transaction management, right? So the different topics that are going to be covered in this module 5 are, we are going to learn about what is a transaction and see an example, right? And then we are going to discuss something very important for examinations, for competitive exams and your interviews and all these things, which is asset properties. Okay, so these are four properties, like you can see A, C, I, D, four properties, very important thing. So we will see that in the video, and then we are going to look at the concept of schedules. Okay, we will see what is a schedule and different types of schedules along with examples, and finally we will discuss about concurrent execution of transactions. Okay, so basically we are going to perform them simultaneously, side by side, by performing some instructions from one transaction and some instructions from another transaction, like that, which is called as concurrent execution of transactions. Okay, and the objectives for this module 5 are, of course, you should be able to understand what are asset properties related to a transaction, and you should understand what is meant by a transaction first, and then what is a schedule, and then what are the different implications that occur when you execute transactions concurrently or simultaneously. So these are the different objectives of this module. So this is a short module, so stay tuned for the next video, which is on transaction concepts. Thank you.